everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make this granny stitch bandana. I show. I use 4.5 millimeters hook, 4.5 millimeters cotton yarn. This yarn suitable for 4 millimeters and 4.5 millimeters hook. Make a magic circle like this. Take tail of yarn, put this yarn on your finger like this. Fix yarn with your fingers. I show one more. Put yarn on your finger like this. Take yarn, fix this yarn, insert your hook under this yarn. Pull up yarn, turn it, fix yarns with this finger, turn it. We make magic circle in here. Make chains. Be chaining yarn over, chain 1, 2, 3. Add one more chain in here. We have 4 chains in total. Yarn over, go to this magic circle. We stitch first round in magic circle. Yarn over, insert your hook into this ring, pull up yarn. Now we have 3 yarns on hook, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together. Make 1 double crochet, yarn over, go to this ring, pull up yarn. We have 3 yarns on hook, pull through 2 yarns together, pull through 2 yarns together. We make double crochet stitches in here. Yarn over, go to this ring, make double crochet. I show in here we have 1, 2, 3 double crochet with first chains. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches in this side. After this double crochet stitch, make 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, go to this ring, repeat, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, go to this ring, 3 double crochet. I show. Now we make 1, 2, 3 double crochet in this side like this stitch. In here we have chains. We should make 1 stitch like these chains, like this. In total we have 4 stitches in 2 sides. Add 1 chain, yarn over, go to this ring, magic circle, insert your hook, pull up yarn. In here add 1 chain, pull through 2 yarns together, pull through 2 yarns together. We make 1 stitch like this chains. I show one more. After this 3 double crochet stitches, add 1 chain, yarn over, go to this ring, pull up yarn. We have 3 yarns on hook, make a chain in here, pull through 2 yarns together, pull through 2 yarns together, make extended double crochet in here. After this stitch, make 1 2 3 chains, add 1 more chain, turn the work, go to this chain. We make 1 chain between this stitch and extended double crochet. We have 1 chain in here, go to this chain, yarn over, go to here, make 1 double crochet in same stitch, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. I show, skip these 3 double crochet stitches, go to corner. We have 3 chains in here, go to here, make double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, make corner, 1 2 3 chains, yarn over, go to this corner, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. Skip these double crochet stitches, go to this space, yarn over, insert your hook, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, like this side. After this double crochet stitch, I show slowly in here. After these 3 double crochet stitches, make a chain, yarn over, go to this space, same stitch, pull up yarn. We have 3 yarns on hook, make a chain in here, pull through 2 yarns together, pull through 2 yarns together, extended double crochet, repeat, make 1 2 3 4 chains, turn the work, go to same stitch, yarn over, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. I show, we make a space in here, skip this stitch, go to this space, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet in here, skip this stitch, go to corner, make corner, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 3 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. Skip this stitch, I show corner, go to this space, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, skip this stitch, go to this space, repeat 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. In here, after 3 stitches, add 1 chain, yarn over, go to same corner, add 1 chain, pull through 2 yarns together, pull through 2 yarns together, make extended double crochet in here, 1 2 3, add 1 more chain, turn the work, go to this space and repeat 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, skip 3 stitches, go to here, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, skip this stitch, go to this space, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, go to corner, make corner, 1 2 3 double crochet stitches, 3 chains, 1 2 3 double crochet stitches, skip this stitch, go to here, 1 2 3 stitches, go to here, 1 2 3 stitches, skip this stitch, go to last space, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, I show 1 more in here, make a chain, yarn over, go to this corner, pull up yarn, add 1 chain in last loop, pull through 2 yarns together, pull through 2 yarns together. I show until here. After this stitch, this rows, I show, repeat like this and make more rows. We increase stitches in these spaces. Make 1 2 3 clusters in next row, in next row 4 clusters, 5 6, and repeat like this. Be careful in here. We should make 4 chains and make 1 more cluster in here, make 1 cluster and extended double crochet in last stitch. Continue like this, make more rows. I made until here. I show in last stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, add 1 chain, make extended double crochet in last stitch. I show I made 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 rows in total. I show 13 centimeters in here, 60 2 centimeters in this side. Cut this yarn, put this yarn on your finger, bring yarns, insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn, make a slip knot and chaining, chain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 30 chains in here. I show 20 centimeters. After these chains, continue from this side, top of this scarf in here. Insert your hook into this space, in this, hide this yarn under a stitch, hold these chains on your hook, insert your hook into this space, insert your hook, take this working yarn, pull up yarn. Now we have 2 yarns on hook, pull through 2 yarns together. I show, join these chains in top of bandana, go to same stitch in here, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, make single crochet, go to next. I show, in here we continue to crochet from this side, go to next stitch, 1 single crochet, go to same stitch, 2 single crochet, go to next stitch, 1 single crochet, go to same stitch, 2 single crochet, and repeat. Make 2 single crochet in every stitch, 1 2. I made until here. I show in this space, in this ring we have magic ring in here, same as this stitch, make 1 2 single crochet and repeat, and hide this yarn under stitch, 1 2 single crochet, 1 2 single crochet, and repeat. I made this stitch, I show in last stitch, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet. After this single crochet stitch, make chains, chain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 30. I make 30 chains in here. I show same as this side. Thirty centimeters in here, 62 centimeters in here, 42 centimeters in this side. I have 20 centimeters of these chains. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 rows in here, single crochet in top of this scarf, made 19 rows. I show weight of this scarf, We have 41 grams in here.